एथिक्स ऑफ एनिमल रिसर्च। एनिमल रिसर्च से मुतल्लिक अखलाकियात का जायजा लेंगे। इन यूएसए every year 26 million animals are used for training, education, teaching, and for other purposes. Now, animals are playing a vital role in scientific and in medical research. Through animals, we can come to know about different diseases and we can make our life comfortable. But whether animals should be used in scientific research or not, this is something a big issue, because some religious and philosopher thinkers believe that the use of animals in the scientific research is something very cruel. So, if animals are used in scientific research and scientific research is successful, then the use of animals is beneficial. But if scientific research fails due to any reason, then it can arise number of ethical issues regarding the use of animals. So animals must be used in an ethical framework. In UK, cost-benefit analysis was implemented in 1986, according to which there is complete descriptive analysis of procedures as well as of experiments used in the scientific research, and how many animals will be used in the scientific research, what type of animals will be used in the scientific research. ये तीनों चीज़ें एक्सपेरिमेंट, नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स और टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि अगर हम कुछ ऐसे जानवरों का इस्तेमाल करें जो कि दुनिया से आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ख़त्म होते जा रहे हैं, अगर हम उनका साइंटिफिक रिसर्च में इस्तेमाल करना शुरू कर दें, then those animals completely get extinct. Now, these parameters must be weighed against the potential benefits of the project, that whether they are beneficial for the scientific research or not. Now, in UK, animal welfare is also playing a very important role in the scientific research. Whenever we submit our grant application for scientific research, then reviewers also look for the animal welfare and care standards. So, they only get the license when the subjects such as animals are in good condition, whether the scientists are looking for their emotional and behavioral issues or not. So, nowadays, public is accepting the use of animals in the scientific research if no alternative is available. So they get information in two ways. Number one, either in the form of publication, and number two, they can get information on individual request. So how public is getting awareness? This is through various training programs, through workshops. Now, if we talk about the benefits of animal research, then we can't imagine that the use of animals in the scientific research, especially in the field of medicine, is enormous, because the use of animals we come to know that whether such diseases are treatable or not. So, good experiments and good science is designed in such a way that it reduces the number of animals. For example, this is nowadays the emerging field is of cancer immunology. Number of research is going on the anti-cancerous drugs. And what happens, the hollow fiber system is developed in which tumor cells are grown. This fiber system is then implanted into the mice, and when drugs are passed through it, the system is removed and the total number of cells can be counted. So by this, the data, we get an enormous amount of data by reducing the number of animals. Similarly, number of breeding programs are going on, that whether the use of animals should be at higher scale or not. For this, scientists have used the sperms or oocyst in cryopreserved form. In this way, the use of animal is again reduced. Similarly, if we are using animals in neuroscience research, then keep in mind that instead of using different histological sections, we can go for a technique known as magnetic resonance imaging technique. Now, we have to, as a scientist, we have to design the scientific research in such a way that it reduces the pain of the animal. Either we have to use the analgesics or anesthetics. इसके साथ साथ हमें animals के behavior और emotions का भी ख्याल रखना चाहिए.